Hey guys, it's Wolley here, and I've got a super exciting video for you. Today I'm going to share with you a very helpful tip for when it comes to your PS5 controller. Whether you're replacing an old broken controller, or maybe you're just looking to buy a new PlayStation 5 controller for your system, before you open the box of your new controller and use it for the first time, there is something you should be aware of, and I'm going to go explain it in detail, so be sure to watch this video carefully all the way through. So, if you've heard of the terms stick drift or loose triggers while addressing the original PS5 controller, you are already aware of the typical problems that might arise with PS5 controllers over time. However, if you want your next controller to last as long as possible, there's one thing that I recommend you check first on your new controller. According to a durability investigation, the average PS5 controller has a hassle-free estimated lifespan of just 417 total hours of playtime. This means that the average user may end up needing to replace their controller every couple years. So here's the thing that I advise you. What you should look for first on your new controller, if you want your next controller to last as long as possible, is that you should turn the controller over and look at the FCC ID written on the back. It will essentially read as a collection of random controller ID numbers and capital letters. However, pay close attention to the very end of the ID. If you see the number 1, this indicates that your controller is more likely to experience stick drift and loose triggers in the future. However, if you see the letter A, it indicates that you are less likely to encounter these problems. The reason for this is that Sony recently made some mechanical improvements to the newly built DualSense controllers, specifically to the thumbsticks and adaptive triggers. The easiest way to determine if your new controller has these improvements built in without completely disassembling it is to simply look at the FCC ID. If you see the letter A at the end of the ID, your controller has the improved thumbsticks and triggers. However, if it says number 1, you should consider returning it because these controllers are constructed with original parts and do not have mechanical upgrades. To ensure that your DualSense controller has the new improvements, purchase a DualSense controller from the Galaxy Collection. Look for Starlight Blue, Galactic Purple, or Nova Pink, as all of these controllers were built with the improved triggers and thumbsticks. But now you know exactly what to check after purchasing a new PlayStation 5 controller and how to make sure it'll last as long as possible. And just like that, you now know the secret to buying the best PS5 controller you can get. So if you found this video to be helpful, please drop a like on it and share it with your friends. And also, don't forget to subscribe for more awesome videos like this one. As usual, I'll see you on the next one. Peace.